Hello everyone, I'm Matt from JY Company. Today I'm going to introduce you to our latest product, the JY-C52 torch lighter. First, let's take a close look at the appearance of the C52. You can see that it feels very comfortable to hold with one hand. And the black plastic part is also very textured. There is a whole switch on the front. Yes, it is the switch that keeps the flame on. I will show you how to use this switch later. Let's move on to the bottom. This button is the ignition switch of the C52. It is responsible for lighting the fire and helping you cook tasty food. We turn to the other side and see two switches. The bottom one is the switch to adjust the flame size, and the top one is the switch to change the flame hardness. The bottom is its gas port. When the gas runs out, you can use a gas bottle to refill the fuel it needs from the bottom. Next, I will demonstrate how to use the C52. First, we move the flame adjustment switch to the middle position, and then ignite it. At this time, you can see the blue flame spraying out. We move the hold key to the right, so we can let go of the ignition switch, and the flame is locked and fixed in this position. Finally, I will introduce how to change the hard fire to the soft fire. When the flame is in the hold mode, we move the flame hardness switch to the right, and the flame will also change accordingly. From hard fire to soft fire, we can see the details of the flame change in slow motion. I guess this feature will be a very big highlight, which can effectively help you control the heat when cooking. That's all for my explanation of the latest product, JY-C52. I know you must be very interested. Don't hesitate, contact us now.